How to make Korean pancake. Prep the fresh green onions and lightly blanch the seafood. To get rid of fish smell, add a little bit of sesame oil and mix them well. We're going to make 2 pancakes. Then mix the frying powder and flour in a 3-to-1 ratio. Add some water and whisk it together. The batter shouldn't be too runny. I can't give you the exact measurements because moms always measure with their heart. Next, coat the green onions in the batter and squeeze them slightly to remove excess batter. And then place them on a sizzling hot pan. They might look a bit stiff now, but they'll soften when they're cooked. Now scatter the seafood all over, then drizzle the remaining batter and the beaten eggs evenly. Yellow makes the pancake look better. And add a splash of oil so it cooks well after flipping. Now it's time for the flip. I asked her why she pokes the pancake with a spatula. And she said this helps it cook faster and more evenly by letting the steam out. Another drizzle of the batter. And one more flip. They look so yummy. And there's a piece of squid left out, but I'm gonna put it back. If you want it crispier, use less green onions. They hold a lot of moisture, which can make the pancake soggy. Now it's time to eat. Green onions are in season right now. They're sweet and flavorful. It tasted so good. My mom also cooked kimchi jjigae, and it was perfect with the steamed rice. I was completely stuffed. Try this at home. Let me know how it goes.